Hello everyone. Today I have a video in which I wanted to show how you can insert these brass nuts into your 3D print, like I did with this one. I just discovered this. It's super nice. You can make a 3D print, and for example you want to thread in an M3 bolt. Of course you can make the hole like a little bit smaller than 3 millimeters, but you can also make the hole around 4 millimeters and then get one of these brass inserts which have an M3 thread on the inside, and they have like around 4 millimeter diameter on the outside. So you just make a hole that's a little bit smaller than 4 millimeters in your printed part, and then you can insert one of these. As you can see, like the hole is just a little bit too tiny, but that's on purpose, because I'll show you how I insert these nuts. I didn't want to say it. So what you do is you put the nut on a bolt. You grab the bolt with a pair of pliers, and then I have a really nice lighter which works as a torch, and you heat up the nut only a little bit, both sides. There you go. And then you carefully insert the hot nut into the plastic. And there you go. Just check if it's aligned. It looks alright. You can carefully adjust it. It's very hot because the bolt also gets very hot. And oh, there you go. And in the bottom here there's a bit of plastic that's pushed out. You can just remove that by hand. And well, there you go. You have a knurled insert. And yeah. These are actually quite well made, and you can buy like 100 for $2 from AliExpress, and yeah, it just works so well. And they have a lot of holding power, but the most important thing is that when you have a connection that needs a lot of service, so you need to put in and remove bolts a lot. This is very useful, because if you use 3D printed threads, they will strip out like after 3 times of removing a bolt or something. You know, every time you put it back it will strip. So yeah, that's my tip for today. It works really well. So that's it. And it looks nice as well. Alright, bye.